Hello, guys. I know it's been a while. I've posted and I'm back. People keep catching that on crypto, and you are still not believing. Omo. So, today I bring you human app. What did I call it? Human app. So, I'm going to do a series of tutorial on this human app so that it won't get longer. So, but on today, I just want to show you how you can claim the human coin if you are mining, how you can claim the human coin. So there are different menu here. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one that looks like a parachute, and this is the fourth one that's the setting, the backup where you get your. And if you are creating an account, please note you cannot join human app except someone invites you. So if you have a friend that has your phone number who is on human app, and it's just five referrals that the person can give out, so you can easily tell the person to refer you, because you cannot get on a human app except you are being referred by someone. So or you can simply come to their Twitter here. Then if I click on this thing, and there might be some people, so you can, okay, if you want to get referral, you can actually come here on their app under their comment section here, so you can post a QR code if you want to be referred. So I don't know if you get. So there are some messages here for people looking for referral. Like if you don't have you don't know anyone that is on human app, so you can come here. They will give you an QR code which you will screenshot and come post it here on the comment section, so someone else that has an account, me, I've exhausted mine, so can actually scan yours to invite you. So what I want to show now, like, once you invite someone, you get 45 human. This is my wallet currently now. This is the H human 181. I used it because I didn't understand the. You can see minus one minus one minus one. I used it because I was upgrading my account, because I really didn't understand how the things works then. But now I understand better. So which I'm not upgrading anymore. So I'm just waiting for the whole thing to get filled up. Like this, that's the crossbar at the top here. At my profile by the right, you can see 42 slash 350. So if it gets to 350 over 350, that means it's filled up, so I can tap all over again. So there are a lot of people here you can tap from, and you gain in points. So I'm going to do that on the next tutorial and show you guys what and how to go about it while typing, or should I say mining. So but for this one is, like I said, just to claim. So one of my referrer have done their facial verification. So I've gotten, it's possible, that's 45. You invite a friend 20, bonus 25. So which, if I click on it, okay, click claim all reward. Meanwhile, this 5 you see here plus 5, someone I referred also referred someone. So if a person you refer another person, you get 5 from that person. So that's how I got this 5. Why this 25 and this 20, total 45, is from the this invite. So I can just click on claim all and click on the slide button. And meanwhile, you get to claim you get to claim every, okay, it has gone up. You get to claim 5 human every week. You get to claim 5 human every week. This is where you get it under this one that looks like parachute. So you can see here, January 29th I claim 5, January 22nd I claim 5, January 15th I missed it. um okay, 29 is not, that's it, tomorrow, that'll be tomorrow. So I'm going to claim tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. That's 2 days from now, 29th. So I missed only this one. So you should, every once a week you can come here and be claiming your 5. So human app, according to the rumor, they said Elon Musk was the first person to get verified on human app. Like I said, according to rumor. So, and you know what they say in crypto, every rumor turns out to be true. So follow the rumor until the thing gets real. So let's see how it goes. And if you go through this whole process, you know human app is, they're really here for business, stuff like that. So I can't finish my KYC right now because they've not actually opened. I don't have this FCS chip, so I'm waiting for when they will open this passport verification and ID verification. This one available soon, available soon. So, like I said, join Human Hub. Don't play with it. Idolos don't like posting about Human Hub because it doesn't require much referrals. Just one me, I can only refer just maximum of 5 person. You, if you join, you can only refer just 5 person. So Idolos prefer to invite their friends or their family members, stuff like that. And since it does not involve much referrals, they hardly post about it. So see you guys in my next video. I will show you some tricks how you can earn more on this Human Hub. As you can see my balance right here, so it fluctuates, so it goes up and it comes down, so it's just like a real marketplace. So see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, share to your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you on next video. Is Young Chief.